Hello guys, good day guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So Trendy channel is a channel that helps upcoming graphic designer at large, both professional and beginner to level up their graphic design journey. So in this channel you will learn how to create different kind of flyer using your Pixellab. All the flyer are mostly created on Pixellab. Also in this channel you can also learn how to enhance your flyer design and to enhance your image before you use them for your design. So if that's your problem, if that's what you're looking for, then in your right place. So let's just go straight to the point. So in today's tutorial I'll be looking at how to create this birthday flyer that you're seeing here. So how I started the design from scratch. So this video will be very brief and what striking. So now let's get into the business of today. Now first of all, let me change our background to pure white. Let me change our background. So now the second thing is, let me import our design so that we'll work with our design. Let me import our original design so that we can work with it. And also guys, please, if you're watching my video, please do well to share it with your friends, and also ensure you comment, please. And those that have been commenting, big shout out to you. And those that haven't been commenting, please try and do so. So don't panic. All the materials that are used in this video, there will be a link that will be dropped that will enable you get all the materials. So all you need to do is just watch this video to the end, and also share this video, comment on it, and check in the description of this video. You will see the link that will take you to where you get the materials. So I'm just looking for the materials, and if you want me to create video on anything, any flyer or anything that you'll be having difficulties with, you can also comment it in the comment section of this video. So this is our first background that was imported. Now all we need to do is to increase the size to cover the empty space on our design, on our canvas rather. Now let me show you the size of our background. Now this is the size of our background. Are you seeing? 1024, that's the width. The height 1280, that's the size of our background. So now what do we do first? So first thing we do is I will bring in our image. That's the image of Pastor Dr. Paul Eniche. Bring in our image, and before that I have already removed the background of my image. And if you don't really know how to do that, like how to erase background from your image, I've done a video on that. Just check my video list, you will see videos on how to erase background from your pictures. In short, just whatever thing you're looking for, just check this channel, you will see it. I've covered a lot of things when it comes to using Pixellab for designing. So I'm just looking for the folder that has that image. Okay, so this is it. So just anything you're looking for, just check. Now when you import image and you drag it like this, there are chances that the image will be blurred. So what you do is you copy the image, then you delete the first one that you dragged. That initial one that you drag, you delete it. Now centralize it. Now just bring it down a little bit. Then you can go to your color filter, just touch the contrast a little bit, just break up the contrast a little bit. Okay, take the contrast to 10. So you're good. Then the next one is to import the other image also. So this is the image, import it. Then if you observe, you see that the image is a little bit, the image is one-sided. All you need to do is to rotate it, then go to your color filter, increase the contrast. Now this contrast, now the essence of this contrast now is to bring out the quality of the image a little bit. Just bring out the quality a little bit. Then you take it backwards, just long press, then drag it down. I see. You can just long press, drag it down, reduce the size depending on what you need. So I think like this is okay. So let's just work with time. I promise not to make this video lengthy. So let's see the next thing that we need to do. Okay, so the next thing now, we're about to blend, and I have also done video on blending background, both with imported background. I've done video on that, so you can also check this channel to look out for that video. So all you need to do, go to your shape, tap on your plus icon. Sorry, tap on here is color, here is gradient. Tap on your gradient, tap on your plus sign. Now this is the surface you will see. Okay, so now the next thing is to blend the background. So all you need to do is to go to your shape, you see color, you see gradients, you tap on gradients, you tap on your plus sign. So this is the surface you will see. Now all you need to do is to tap here, make it to be transparent. That's take it to the transparent part, then bring it out a little bit. Then this place now, you can just bring it out a little bit, tap your okay. So this is what you will have. So when you come, let me change the color first so that you see what I'm doing. Now this is what you will have here. So all you need to do is to drag it like this, you drag it, then you drop it on top of your design. Then now you can change the color to pure black. Are you seeing? Then you lock it. So let's see what we've not done. So the next thing now is to enter. Now you know, birthday design is not fixed. It's not something that is systematic. You can just do it anyhow as long as you're obeying the principles of graphic design. So let me bring in the image back again so that we can as well not make any mistake in what we're doing. So now I've entered the name, so I will just increase the size. First I enter the name, Poinichi. So I'll just paddle it. Paddling now just to create space at the front and at the back of a text. Then I will choose a font, and this is the font. So now I'll just change the color. Now the coat, now if you observe, now the coat is putting on, the suit is blue and yellow. That's navy blue and yellow. So I will just pick the color. Initially I picked the color from the suit, but now let me just pick it from the text directly. Are you seeing? So the next thing I did was I duplicated the text, reduced the opacity to 5, then I brought it down. Just now the reason why I did that was to create a shadow for the text. Okay, a shadow. Let me try to zoom it. Let me see if you will see the shadow. Now this is the shadow I'm talking about. Now this shadow, that's why I duplicated it. So the next thing I will do is to copy the text, then I will enter his second name, Eneche. Then at this point I will reduce my size. I also reduce my size to 50. Then I'll centralize it. Then the next thing I will do is to enter my happy birthday papa. I think that was what I wrote, happy birthday papa. So all I need to do is to reduce the size, increase the paddling as usual, then change the text to font skin. I think font skin is a popular font that at least every graphic designer has heard of. So now all I need to do is to now look at the text here, increase the space it out. Now let me change the color to white so you see what I'm doing. Then let me reduce the size a little bit depending on where I want to drop it. Are you seeing? Now remaining one last thing. Now if you observe, this place is empty, this space is empty. So I say, okay, let me just look for it to fill it up with something. So I was thinking, what can fit in, so I went through my image without background and I saw this stuff. I said, okay, this stuff will be nice, so let's work with it. So that's how we came up with the idea of putting this in. I increase the size a little bit, then I drop it by the side like this. Okay, wait, let me drop it exactly the way it is, then rotate it. Are you seeing? So let me check from the original design. Okay, that's how we dropped it. Are you seeing? Then yeah, this place you can put, that place you put the dates of the birthday. Yeah, you can put your brand name. Then yeah, now you can just put happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Let me just show you that one. I think that one will be a little bit difficult, so let me show you. So you just do something like happy birthday papa on a straight line, happy birthday papa. Now let me just crop it. Happy birthday papa, happy birthday papa, happy birthday papa on a straight line. That's what you do. Then you rotate it like this, rotate it, you centralize it, and then you take it to that corner. And here we are. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.